Hey guys, so for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a logo using AI in Canva. So after you've opened Canva, from here in the homepage, you will see Canva AI over here at the top of the search bar. So click on it. And from here, you're going to create a prompt, like for example, create a tech team logo for my YouTube channel titled Tech Tutorials. So of course, you're just going to make your own prompt based on the logo that you want to create. You can also include in the prompt how you want the logo to look like, or if there's any specific elements that you'd like to add into the logo. And once you've done your prompt, just submit it. And you want to wait for it for a few moments. And after a few moments, it will give you a bunch of options. Just choose one that looks the best for you and click on it. Then click on Use Canva Editor. Then click on the share button over here at the top. Then click on download. So that's it. Thanks for watching.